You're watching the Protex Project YouTube channel.
Floors are all done. The wiring is all done. Got a couple plugs up here. Table is going to be right there in the middle. I have the shore power coming in. This is where my power unit is going to be. Got 12 volt running up. There's the bathroom light running, a couple power lines, power wires over here. I'm going to have a couple LED lights. The ballasts are going to be right here, like the distribution blocks. And then comes down, and then I'm gonna have the switches right here inside of the kitchen cabinet. So it's gonna be the main lights coming in, porch light right there. And then another light that I'm gonna show you later. And so everything's run around. I'm gonna have a couple different, let's see here, 4 different lines, because actually that's gonna tie in, so it's gonna be three breakers. One for the air conditioner, another for the refrigerator, microwave, and then this one and that one are gonna be on the same breaker, and it's just gonna be above the stove, exterior, and then by the bed. This one's also tied into the air conditioner, but they're not gonna be pulling much. So that is that. Got it all wrapped up, and now I'm getting ready to cover the walls with mesh and then insulate. So this is a huge step, and I'm so excited to finally be here.